Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. Today's video is super exciting, way overdue. I was supposed to film it a long time ago because these items here are actually a Christmas gift from my dad. My sister and I, we got the same sets and even my mom didn't know about it. It was a complete surprise from dad. He organized everything himself. He went to the store, picked everything out, brought home, hid under the Christmas tree, and nobody knew. It's so insane. And honestly speaking, we were out of words because such gifts is not something we're used to receiving on New Year's because they're so special and so expensive, and I just feel super blessed and very grateful. So I cannot wait to share them with you. Some of you guys actually noticed these pieces already from my IG stories, from the previous videos that I posted. And now finally, let's officially unbox everything. I'm just so excited. So here's the first bag, the second bag. I had to wrap everything again because I've been wearing these pieces non-stop. I didn't put the ribbons though because I think I threw them away. I couldn't find them, but here are the first two boxes. Let's start with this one probably. And we've got the beautiful olive color box here. You know how much I love Van Cleef. Even today, I have decided to wear my VCA necklace and the earrings. These ones are mother of pearl. This is vintage Alhambra, so regular sized earrings. They also exist in the mini version, the sweet Alhambra, and also magic Alhambra, the larger ones. And my necklace that I'm wearing today is the magic Alhambra necklace, so it's a bigger size and the chain is actually longer, so you can wear it really long, but I like to double it up and wear like this. I think it looks very cute. So this is my current set that I own, and here's the new one. Ta-da! So the first item that I wanted to share with you are these beautiful earrings, same size as my current earrings, but these ones are in yellow gold with onyx, so the black stone inside, as you can see. And you know, I never spoke about them on my wish list, but I've been definitely eyeing onyx collection because since I have mother of pearl, which is white, I wanted something darker, and onyx just looks so beautiful. The black color against yellow gold, I think it's so chic. So this set is more for day outfits or something to wear with light colored clothes, whereas this one is, in my opinion, a proper night out jewelry that I can wear with my dresses, because pretty much all of my dresses are black and I just love the way they look together. Oh my god, these earrings are so beautiful, and I will try them on. I'll show you mod shots of how they look on me, but I think they're so beautiful, just like mother of pearl earrings. These ones in black color are incredible. I love how reflective they are, even though it's a black color, and I love how easy to style they are, and they give you a complete different look from the white ones. And I'm just so happy I now have both black and white colored earrings. And you know, they are pretty durable, but I still take them off at home whenever I'm just lounging around or taking a shower. I do take them off. Whenever I go to sleep, I do take them off, of course. I never keep them on. And I know a lot of people never take their VCA jewelry off, but over time you will still see some wear on them, and I just want to keep them in as pristine condition as possible for as long as I can. So I do take care of this jewelry because I know how expensive it is. And these earrings, I have the price here, let me tell you. So the retail price is 3,650 Swiss francs because I live in Switzerland, but it's a little bit more expensive than USD, but around the same as euros. And also with each purchase you get a little pouch like this. There are also bigger pouches that I also have, but I have some jewelry in them. This is the only empty one that I have. And now let me show you the second piece, which is right here. And By seeing the earrings, you can probably tell what it is. Okay, another cover. And the second item that I got is this beautiful necklace. It is also in onyx. It's like a set with the earrings. So the necklace and the earrings, onyx, yellow gold. This time it is a vintage Alhambra regular sized necklace as well. So this is pretty much the comparison between the one I have on and the smaller one. As you can tell, the difference is pretty big, but I'm not sure if this necklace exists in a magic Alhambra size. I'm really not sure. I'm gonna have to double check it, but I love this size so much. I think it just looks so cute and so elegant, and once again it goes really well with all of my dresses, all of the shirts and t-shirts. I adore wearing this piece. It is just so beautiful, and having this black set, I'm obsessed with it. And I will also try it on, and you will be able to see how it looks lengthwise as well. And then you have two different loops, so you can make it even shorter, or you can make it a little bit longer. And sometimes when you buy gold necklaces, the chain can be very thin and very dainty and delicate. Whereas this one, it looks delicate, but I love that it has some weight to it. So it's basically not as thin and delicate. And now let me show you the final piece, which is right here. I put it in a separate bag because these bags are quite small. But here it is. Here is the pouch, so you know what it is inside that I have. And here's the box. The box is longer, which means it is a bracelet. And the bracelet that I got is ta-da! Here it is. This is, I couldn't believe my eyes. It's been a dream of mine for such a long time. Exactly this bracelet, because I have a different bracelet that has wood inside, and I'm just so afraid of using it. I'm just so scared for the wood and damaging it. That's why honestly, I never wear it. It was a gift from my husband, but I never wear that bracelet. Even washing my hands at a restaurant or something and getting some water on it, I know it's been treated and everything, nothing's gonna happen to it, but still, I just have this fear at the back of my head, and I can never enjoy wearing it. I just stress too much about it. And this has been a dream because it is all gold and I don't have to worry about it. So basically, this is the vintage Alhambra 5 motifs, a bracelet in yellow gold, and I think the way you pronounce it is guilloche. I hope that's the correct way to pronounce it, but this is what this style is called. Can you see the way the gold looks? It's like the little pieces of mirrors put together. This bracelet is absolutely stunning. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's the same on both sides. And this style, since it's all gold and since this particular design is so special and so unique, it is a little bit more expensive than the regular bracelets they have. And let me tell you the price of the bracelet. So the price is 5,150. Oh, and by the way, the price of the pendant that I showed you in onyx is 2,500, which is so expensive. But for a piece like this, I mean, it's so worth it because it is so spectacular. And wearing it, I don't have to worry about damaging the wood or mother of pearl or whatever, because I know it's all gold. But the thing is, it came in very long and it was too big for my wrist. So I went to Van Cleef here in Geneva and I asked them to remove a few of these golden rings, and they did. In the end, I got the size 17. But now, being pregnant and with all the swelling, additional weight, I feel like this bracelet is getting really tight on me once I have decided to just put it on and never take it off, because it's getting more difficult to close it since it's pretty tight. So I put it on I kept it on for a few days, and then I started noticing that the gold, it just doesn't look as shiny as it was when I just got it. And I feel like even though it's all gold, I still have to take very good care of it. I still have to remove it every time I take a shower, every time I go to sleep, and so on, to preserve the shine on the bracelet and to avoid little scratches, because now you can see some scratches here and there because I wore it on this wrist and I have 3 more bracelets here, and I know it's a little bit too excessive, but I love every single one of my bracelet and there is no way I want to ever take them off. The 2 Cartier ones and also the VCA Sweet Alhambra one, I just don't see myself taking them off because they're so special to me. But you know, wearing this bracelet with these 3, yes, I can definitely see some scratches now. And so I took it off and now I just put it on in the morning, I take it off in the evening, and it looks way better. And I think that's how I'll keep doing it. Worst case scenario, I'll have to go back to VCA and ask them to make it a little bit bigger again, which I don't really want to do because I just don't want to take up their time and burden them with my bracelet again, because they had to redo it 2 times. The first time, the way he removed some of the rings, it just looked so bad. It was very unproportional. The whole bracelet just looked off. So here, for example, he only left like 1 ring between the 2 clover leaves. When I saw it, I was like, what the hell is this? One was longer, the other one was shorter. The third one was even longer than the first one. It just wasn't proportional. It looked really, really bad. And when I saw it, I was just so upset and disappointed because it looked so bad. So I asked them to redo it. I showed it to my SA and she completely agreed with me. She was like, oh my god, I don't know what he did here, why he did it this way, but it's really off. And so he had to redo it again. He did it really well the next time, and going there for the 3rd time, I don't know, I just feel bad. So we'll see how it will go. For now, it still fits. And this was such a huge surprise for me and my sister, but she has the same set now. We're basically twinning, and she also loves it so much. She loves the black color. It was actually mostly her who wanted it, but I always had this set at the back of my head. And you know, with Van Cleef, I feel like once you buy your first piece, you just become so addicted because they have so many beautiful stones, so many beautiful colors. They have diamond options, they have gold options, white gold, yellow gold, rose gold. There are just so many options with VCA Alhambra collection, and you can never get enough. There are simple earrings like the ones I have, there are longer earrings, there are triple earrings, quadruple earrings like this, and everything looks so different, so beautiful. And honestly, by the time I get old, I really want to have it all. I want to have all different colors in different sizes and shapes and forms and so on, in different gold, because I just love Van Cleef and Arpels so much. I love their jewelry. But this is everything I wanted to share with you today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new to my channel and if you like this type of content, unboxings, luxury bags, reviews, fashion, and so on, then this is the place for you. Hit the subscribe button down below, turn on the bell. You can also follow me on Instagram. It's at Bonjour Aika. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!